Welcome back to ShopTalk. This week, we're talking navigating industry regulations and compliance, a roadmap for auto repair shop owners. Running a successful auto repair shop requires more than just mechanical expertise and excellent customer service. To ensure the longevity of your business, it's crucial to navigate the complex landscape of industry regulations and compliance. In today's video, we will guide auto repair shop owners through the maze of local, state, and federal regulations, emphasizing the importance of maintaining up-to-date licenses and certifications. Understanding local, state, and federal regulations. Every jurisdiction has its own set of regulations governing auto repair shops. From environmental standards to zoning laws, staying compliant with local regulations is the first step. Additionally, state and federal regulations may apply, covering aspects like waste disposal, occupational safety, and environmental protection. Familiarize yourself with these regulations to avoid fines, penalties, and potential business disruptions. Environmental compliance. Auto repair shops often handle hazardous materials such as oil, coolant, and brake fluid. Ensuring proper disposal of these materials is not only an environmental responsibility, but also a legal requirement. Familiarize yourself with local and federal guidelines for hazardous waste management and implement the necessary measures to protect the environment and your business. Occupational Safety and Health Administration compliance. Prioritize the safety of your employees and customers by adhering to OSHA standards. This includes maintaining a safe working environment, providing necessary safety equipment, and conducting regular training sessions. Compliance with OSHA regulations not only protects your staff, but also shields your business from legal liabilities. Zoning and land use regulations. Local zoning laws dictate where certain types of businesses can operate. Ensure your auto repair shop complies with zoning regulations to prevent legal issues that could lead to fines or closure. If you're considering relocating or expanding, research the zoning laws in the prospective area to avoid complications. Importance of maintaining licenses and certifications. Operating with expired licenses or lacking necessary certifications can lead to severe consequences, including fines, legal actions, and damage to your business reputation. Regularly review and renew all required licenses, including business permits, environmental permits, and trade certifications. This not only demonstrates your commitment to professionalism, but also safeguards your business from legal ramifications. Stay informed and seek professional advice. Regulations are subject to change, and staying informed is crucial. Subscribe to industry publications, attend workshops, and participate in relevant forums to stay updated on the latest developments and regulations. Additionally, consider seeking professional advice from legal and environmental experts to ensure your auto repair shop remains compliant. Navigating the intricate web of industry regulations and compliance is an essential aspect of running a successful auto repair shop. By understanding and adhering to local, state, and federal regulations, as well as maintaining up-to-date licenses and certifications, you not only protect your business from legal troubles, but also contribute to a safer and more sustainable automotive industry. Stay informed, prioritize compliance, and drive your auto repair shop towards long-term success. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.